Hello everyone, this is Aina here, and I'm so gladly going to welcome today Akanksha, Madhurima, Manara. So nice to have you guys. It's a pleasure.
Thank you so much for having us here. Thank you.
I think.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for having us here, actually.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good morning, everyone. It's an early morning for at least all the actors getting ready for this session, but I'm so looking forward and much excited. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Very happy to be part of this panel, and brilliant, wonderfully, amazing women, and it's surprisingly all women's panel. So I think a round of applause for all of us for that.
I think that's the best thing. It's like an all-girls team here, and lovely to see good early morning everyone. Like so many of you have turned up. Yeah, I still had doubts when they told me that it's a morning event. I'm like, "Sab aayenge? Are you sure?" But yes, everyone is here.
No, but I have to start off by asking that, we're having a very interesting discussion today, which is called a big fight for the small screen. काफ़ी debatable topic है ये, पर मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी क्या आपको कहीं ना कहीं लगता है that today we are seeing a huge decline, or do you still see potential in the TV industry and at the small screen? People are still consuming that sort of content.
Definitely. I don't think कि I think ये बस एक छोटा सा interval है जो TV ने लिया है. अभी end credits तो बचे हैं. So there's a lot more to come, but I think it's just that we are missing on the sharper contents. We need to pace up because audience बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है और patience बहुत कम. So we need to speed up. We need to match that pace. And this is 2025, guys. So we can't shoot exactly the way we used to shoot. पहले हम already 12, 13 years in the industry. And जैसे हम 10 साल पहले कपड़े पहनते थे, आज हम वैसे कपड़े भी नहीं पहन रहे. तो हम same content कैसे देख सकते हैं? We need to match up with the taste of audience. And that's why जहाँ हम 10-10 episode binge watch कर लेते हैं, टीवी पे वहीं हम एक एपिसोड भी किचन में जाके बाहर एक वॉक लेके देखते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स नॉट कि आज भी बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं स्मॉल टाउन्स में, मास में, जिनको OTT का एक ऐप डाउनलोड करना भी नहीं आता. तो डेफिनेटली ऑडियंस टीवी की ज़्यादा है एंड वी आर फ्रॉम इंडिया. सो यहाँ टीवी हर किसी के घर में है, स्मार्ट टीवी शायद ना हो. सो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स द एंड, इट्स जस्ट दैट टीवी नीड्स अ लिटिल मेकओवर.
What about the rest? What do you guys think?
Definitely downfall है. It's a major downfall. But I feel जो last show आया था वो अनुपमा आया था, एक major big hit. That was it. After that, I don't think. I mean, आया भी होगा. I don't remember. But we need good shows. Definitely, I think we need to evolve. We are not evolving as TV makers. I think we are not evolving, and we are competing with international TV shows. OTT जो Indian TV shows हैं उसमें, because we have such good shows in OTT, we are consuming so much information and such variety in OTT and other international shows that we cannot watch. This generation or the next generation cannot watch TV. Right. I mean, I personally cannot. I don't enjoy. I don't want to consume that whatever they're showing. So I think the makers have to evolve because they are only behind the ratings. They're not looking at the content. They're not looking at the actors. I mean, and I feel जो पहले होता था ना, that connectivity when they had one, like the supporting actors used to be so strong. At this moment, I don't see any like our senior actors. They're not there because nobody wants to do TV because they don't have content. Everybody's enjoying the OTT phase. So as makers, I think you need to evolve.
Yeah. What about you?
So I just want to say, देखिए कि I have worked in a lot of films. In the Southern Belt, but आज मैं सोचती हूँ कि जितना प्यार मुझे TV से मिला है उतना मुझे कहीं नहीं मिला. Like recently I was a part of a show, Laughter Chef, which is a reality TV show, and you will not believe my Instagram reach at that point of time was literally like 100 million, which is rare for me to see, like the professional dashboard. So I feel जो TV है वो आपको उस तरह का प्यार दिलाता है. But of course TV में भी अब दो divisions हो गए हैं. I think there is one which is like a reality content, which as Akanksha just mentioned, it is a fast-paced content. And other side you have serials, which I love to watch. There are times, I remember Big बॉस से बाहर आके मैं दिल्ली गई थी और मेरी बहन ने मुझे बोला था तू बैठ के ना ये वाला सीरियल देख बिकॉज बहुत स्लोली जा रहा है एंड यू वांट टू काम योर माइंड. सो आई थिंक जब शाम को लोग बैठते हैं और वो टीवी देखते हैं दे वांट टू काम देमसेल्व्स, दे वांट टू फील रिलैक्स. आई थिंक वो स्लो पेस कंटेंट कहीं ना कहीं वर्क करता है. But what I feel is missing in the serials or whatever shows we are talking about and why OTT is taking it over, or the reel format shows which are one minute, it is taking over, is one, there are two elements to it. One is the modernization. So even if we talk about A sectors, B sectors or C sectors within India, हर औरत जो है घर पे बैठ के ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर रही है, वो ऐप से ऑर्डर कर रही है, वो कंपेयर कर रही है कि अच्छा ये मुझे 1000 रुपये का इस ऐप पे मिल रहा है तो 400 रुपये का वहाँ मिल रहा है. सो यू नो दोज वुमेन हैव इवॉल्व्ड. आज उनकी मदर इन लॉज ये नहीं कहती वो काम पे, अगर मेरी घर पे मेड भी आती है वो काम पे आती है तो उसकी मदर इन लॉ शाम को खुश है कि वो 4 पैसे कमा के आई है. सो यू नो दैट मॉडर्नाइजेशन इज देयर. सो आई थिंक दीज एस्पेक्ट्स हैव टू बी टेकन इन टू कंसिडरेशन. And of course, the pace is the problem because in today's time, I don't want a kya happening on TV. I would rather watch something like a Sarabhai versus Sarabhai. That is something I relate to. There's something, if I want to watch a very draggy thing, I would rather watch, and a very lousy kind of dialogues in a good way I'm saying, I would rather watch Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai. So these are the contents because they are also bringing some kind of dopamine to your daily routine because they are adding a light comedy is always appreciated and something which is very dramatic. A dramatic boyfriend भी नहीं चलता आज की डेट में. We all relate to it. तो dramatic content कैसे हम consume कर पाएंगे?
बिल्कुल.
Like she said, I feel, she was doing Laughter Chef and we loved you there, Manara.
Thank you
and
so much.
we need more shows like that where audience are involved, whether it comes to voting or make it more fun. And that's how you will engage your audience to TV. So I think there is just a little transformation that TV needs and how you can involve today's audience. And that definitely get more OTT directors, content creators, and make it more real and raw. That is what OTT offers us, and as actors we are the faces to bring this change, and we would love to experiment. I'm sure all my friends here, they would want to just give us that content. We are ready to do it for you.
Absolutely. You'd like to say something?
Yeah, to add to my wonderful co-panelists, I think the one thing is that the consumer or the consumer of the entertainment, as a consumer of the entertainment, we have evolved, but the shows have not evolved, or even our movies have not evolved. So if we look at one common element, what has not worked in the recent serials or in the recent movies is not really, there's no one common thing. That it's not the actor that didn't work, or all the hard work was done, but I think we lost the plot somewhere. I think we started making it for the trade, for the industry. We thought this works, this formula works. We started banking on just something that always worked and never thought to be experimental. And I think that is where OTT won. And because they were experimental, they didn't have the worry of that budget going down the road. I think that is where I see, as a consumer of all the platforms, I think I look at it that way. I think it is far more fast-paced.
No, absolutely. Okay.
Honestly, I feel कि काम तो मतलब we have tried to make shows like 24 or something else, but the audience didn't take it. They didn't take it well. The season 1 worked very well. Season 2 didn't do well. So audience, हमारी जो audience है वो grandmother, mothers, housewives, and their kids up till 15. After that, it's all OTT and phones and everything. So, but still, I think we should not stop at that. We should keep making those finite shows. I think it's just not about reality shows. It's also about good finite shows. You enjoy that. If you make a good script, like a good content script for not to think about 2 years. No, it should not go till 2 years. At least 6 months. Make it for 6 months.
Exactly. And then they say कि show तो 3 महीने में बंद हो रहे हैं आजकल, तो आप 3 महीने से ज़्यादा के बनाए क्यों रहे हो? Just make it short and crisp. आप बनाओ ही इतना कि it's just on air for max 2 months, 3 months. That's it. Then come up with something new. Experiment with the characters. Make it more grey, real, because audience wants to see everything.
We don't have any vamp these days.
Exactly.
Like earlier we had so many good vamps.
Exactly. Yeah. So, you know, Saas Bahu and Sazish and all these things, ki life is more than a life of a cat now. So, bas ho gaya. I think gone are the days. We need to experiment. And please, aap ke band ho rahe hain, to make it short. Make it 8 episodes, 10 episodes that we enjoy. So, I think that's it. Otherwise, we can't deny कि आज हम OTT पे भी काम इसीलिए कर रहे हैं because 3-4 साल हमने लोगों को TV पे अपने आप को दिखाया है as पार्वती और as strong characters. So TV ने ही हमें ये दिया है. We can't deny that. Audience की loyalty आज भी TV में है. We are in India, guys. So सबके phone पे आज भी apps नहीं है. किसके पास subscription नहीं है. सबके घर में TV है. So we just need to give them something new.
No, absolutely. There's a very interesting topic. I just want to understand how many of y'all here consume a lot of reality shows? With a show of hands. Awesome. But आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं आज भी टीवी का जो एसेंस है, people are going and watching TVs to watch non-fiction than fiction shows. और यहाँ पे आपने reality shows किए हैं. Do you feel like a reality show has more of an edge in the TV industry versus the fiction shows जो हम कहते हैं?
Absolutely. I think reality show in today's time, if you compare why a reality show works, one is कि अगर आज मेरा झगड़ा हुआ है तो कल मैं उसी इंसान के साथ बैठ के खाना खा रही हूँ और परसों उसी इंसान से दोबारा लड़ रही हूँ और उसके बाद मे बी एक लव एंगल शुरू हो गया और कुछ हो रहा है और कुछ हो रहा है. Whereas when you watch a serial or a daily soap, आप उसी चीज़ को 1 साल में दिखा रहे हो यार कि अभी लड़ाई हुई, वो 1 महीना वही चल रहा है, उसके बाद शायद प्यार होगा, शायद वो टकरा के मिलेंगे भी नहीं. अरे वो हॉलीडे पे भी तो जा सकते हैं ना, प्लीज़ ले जाओ उन्हें हॉलीडे पे. So I think if you talk about that, I love watching daily soaps. Like I told you, some of my favorite, and I really feel that there are a lot of amazing actors who have come up and who have paved their journey from doing television. Like we have a beautiful example right here, Madhurima, and you know, coming to films because that gives you that kind of experience. But I think I'm sure you would relate that if you are casted in a television show. Even today, if you are playing a modern woman who's probably having fights with a boyfriend or her mother-in-law or her probably husband, but still you're taking that leap of faith of working and then solving that problem, going on a journey, then having a fight or an issue there, everybody would enjoy it, personally working, doing the dialogue delivery, and you will not feel it's going little, you know, like something I can't personally relate to it. So I think that really needs
Reality
that
TV
shift.
is very relatable.
Yes.
Because you every day go through that. Like everybody fights and they make up and they again fight. It's very natural. That's why they relate more and that's why people are watching more reality shows. But
Right.
fiction, that's why there's the problem where earlier where I did the shows where it was so good. Like the vamp used to come. Like they used to stand out, you know?
Yeah.
Like every vamp.
Kamalika.
She stood
The
out.
historic
Her
one.
sari was a talk of the town. Her bindis were talk of the town. Then, like in my teenager days, I remember Hum Paanch. Oh my God, Shaktiman. We used to wait for those shows. We don't have any such shows. Agar 30% bhi utna ban gaya na, it'll be marvelous. Like those kind of shows. I mean, we don't have any superhero. In today's time,
Absolutely.
Shaktiman tab aa gaye the, 2000 mein. 1999. I mean, imagine, and right now we don't have any superhero on television. We only have, of course, it's a female-dominated industry, but still.
Plus, we can't deny कि उस time social media नहीं था. So, you know, जो भी whatever everybody is talking about, जो most popular है, it was word of mouth. Now, अभी आप Big Boss के रोज 10 posts दिखाएंगे, everybody wants to watch Big Boss. आप किसी और reality show के दिखाएंगे, everybody wants to watch that. So, we need to use social media as well for promoting our shows. You can't deny कि नहीं हमें marketing की ज़रूरत नहीं. आपको definitely है. You need to use the social media platform because Big Boss एक दिन में all you guys सबके media platforms पे 10 post कर रहा है. Plus, they are taking people who have that solid engagement. So that's why it's doing wonders and that's why people want to watch it. So make people watch it. आप इतना underestimate मत करिए audience को कि नहीं यार वो तो वही देख लेंगे. वो नहीं देखेंगे वो. You need to give them something fresh and new. Plus, you need to use your social media.
Absolutely. Ma'am, you'd like to add something?
Like you mentioned, the branding and marketing piece is very, very important for any piece of good work, be it TV, be it you know, any of the OTT content. And all of those ad franchisees or those paid media or those ads that are actually contributing to the revenue of those platforms, or be it YouTube or all of that stuff. I think that is what is helping them get the word out there, getting that loyalty from the audience also. So yes, the branding and marketing piece will continue to remain important, and the communication will remain important for all the forms of entertainment.
But also, there are so many actors जिन्होंने अपनी life, अपनी नाम, अपनी पहचान TV से बनाई है, and they've been so iconic. कहीं ना कहीं वो भी अपना essence खो रहे हैं आज. Do you feel that, or today we still remember some of the most iconic TV actors as who they are? What is your take on it? अगर मैं आपको
I think I recently spoke about this in one of my interviews, which went a little controversial, but which is the fact कि जो superstars television के पहले थे, उनका जो budget था per day का, वो आज टीवी अफोर्ड ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. दैट्स वाई दे आर वर्किंग. इसीलिए हम लोग भी सब OTT में क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो बजट्स पे हमने 3 साल पहले शोज छोड़े हैं, आप उससे आधा बजट हमें आज एक नए शो में ऑफर नहीं दे सकते. OTT हमें उतना या उससे एटलीस्ट 3 times ऑफर कर रहा है. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर वर्किंग इन OTT. सो कैन यू नीड टू, बिकॉज हम अपनी लॉयल ऑडियंस लेके आएंगे आपके पास, हम क्रेडिबिलिटी लेके आएंगे, बिकॉज वी वर्कड ऑन TV फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स, एंड दैट्स वाई आई थिंक TV is losing, because they want कि एक पैकेज डील दे देते हैं एक्टर्स को, महीने का उनको एक सैलरी दे देंगे, 1 लाख में ले आते हैं 30 days के लिए, एंड न्यू फ्रेश. वैसे भी तो शो 3 महीने नहीं चलना. आपकी कास्टिंग है इस आइडिया के साथ हो रही है. सो देन यू आर नॉट सीरियस अबाउट योर कॉन्टेंट, आई फील, बिकॉज आई मीट सो मेनी पीपल लाइक, अरे मैम 3-4 महीने में तो बंद ही हो जाएगा, इतना खर्चा थोड़ी ना करेंगे. सो हमें अभी न्यू कमर्स, वैसे भी हमें फ्रेश फेसेस चाहिए. वील वर्क एंड 3-4 months वील डू अ गुड शो. सो इफ दिस इज योर आइडिया, देन डेफिनेटली आप खुद ही लेट डाउन कर रहे हो टीवी को और टीवी के ऑडियंस को. सो आई थिंक आप लाइए उन एक्टर्स को, लाइक वी हैव साक्षी, वी हैव राम कपूर, वी हैव पीपल हु हैव डन अमेजिंग वर्क. बट क्या वो उस बजट में आएंगे जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं? डेफिनेटली नहीं आएंगे, क्योंकि इतने सालों में उन्होंने वो कमाया है. दे हैव गिवन दैट मच. सो आई फील that firstly, don't take it for granted. TV is a very strong medium because we are in India. आज भी लोगों, मैं मेरे होम टाउन जाती हूँ, मेरे मॉम डैड को आज भी एक ऐप चलाना नहीं आता. मेरे ही OTT वो नहीं देख पाते बिकॉज दे डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट. सो हम अपने घर में ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, हम बाहर क्या करेंगे? सो दैट्स वाई आई फील वी नीड टू टेक इट सीरियसली, एंड वी नीड टू ब्रिंग दीज एक्टर्स, स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्टर्स, जो अपने साथ एक लॉयल ऑडियंस, एंड वी आर हियर टू एक्सपेरिमेंट. गिव अस दैट बोल्ड कैरेक्टर्स, गिव अस अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेंट.
Absolutely. What about you all?
It's all about the content. Like when I did my film, I did a film, and then I came back to TV. I did that TV because the content was good. That was Chandrakanta. I mean, I enjoyed playing it. I would love to do that again if that comes again to me.
Right.
I would not look at the cost. I would not look at the price. At that time also, I didn't see at the price. I was like, it's a good project. And it's a main lead. TV mein, it's not that easy to get a main lead also. And you get a main lead, why not? But you need to come with a good content, good project. Then and OTT, sometimes actors do cooperate. You don't have to like charge always like higher than whatever you've charged before. Sometimes the project is so good, the content is so good that the actors want to do it. You want, because you want to prove yourself. You are here to prove yourself. So it's not about, I mean, and I think there are so many actors who've come back again, like famous actors who've come back again, and some have proved themselves again, but some have not because the content is not good. I mean, कितना भी try कर लो आप, जो आपका वो fame मिला है वो दोबारा मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. I mean, एक शो में जो फेम मिल जाता है, you can't get that again. You have to either come up with a different character altogether, and you have to try really hard. You're an actor, you are prepared to do that. You can mold yourself into various roles, but you need to come with a good content.
Absolutely. What about you, Manara?
I think content is the key, whether you talk about OTT or you talk about television, whether in the fiction or the non-fiction scenario of the TV. If even on the fiction side we consider, मतलब जब तक आपका content strong नहीं होगा, जो वो team है वो strong नहीं होगी, एक actor deliver ही नहीं कर सकता. It doesn't matter how good of an actor you are. But अगर मेरी जो lines है वो ही इतनी strong नहीं होंगी, तो मैं क्या ही डिलीवर कर लूँगी, बिकॉज एन एक्टर इज़ जस्ट अ पपेट और अ डमी इन द हैंड्स ऑफ सो मैनी पीपल, probably the writer, the screenplay, the person who's doing the screenplay, director, DOP. We are dependent upon and of course the production value which is added to it. So I think एक actor जो है उसकी अपनी life में इतने hustles होते हैं, and I think in today's time all the actors are working so hard, and a lot of actors from TV are taking that transition into OTT, and a lot of film actors are coming into OTT, and we see a nice mix of all these people coming together, and it's very interesting for the audience to see like these two worlds coming together. So I think I would not deny the fact कि अगर आज मुझे कोई बहुत अच्छा amazing something if I get to do on TV, I will be like, okay, what is the script like, how I will be projected on television, and then I'll see if that character works, then probably you just take it up, because the reach of television is very big. But at the same point of time, I would not deny the fact जो OTT पे shows आ रहे हैं, they are very interesting. I think now you have that 1-minute content. You have some international platforms like Reel Short, dramas, and like few more things. They keep you in that 1 minute. They keep you on the hook. And then, the next episode come, you watch an ad and you watch, but you still want to watch that 30-second ad, 1 minute का episode देखने के लिए, because it is so edgy and it is so interesting. वही वो है 30 मिनट का पूरा शो, but I think वो content पे बहुत ज़्यादा depend करता है, and that is like एक collaborated effort होता है जो television में I think various ends से जाएगा. Then I think the TRPs will again be like 10, 20, and how it used to be during the time of Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, the cult show which we talk about, or Behad for that matter. I used to love that show.
Behad. Yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I think there is so much competition out there. When in the like 20 or 30 years ago, it was only TV, and the audience kind of received everything that was being put out. We started with Doordarshan. There were like just DD1, DD2. From that time when there would be Malgudi days, and people would wait for that show. Now there is, 30 years down the line, we have so much to consume that I think the consumer is going to become more selective. So hence the competition is going to be higher, and hence the impact that one can create in a small amount of time is what is going to win. Because people are always going to be short of time, so they want something 30 minutes, emotional stimulation, intellectual stimulation, and I'm done. I think that's what people will look for.
No, I agree absolutely. But before we wrap up, I quickly want to open the questions to the audience. If you all have any, and if you would like to ask, with the show of hands, if you could just raise your hand. किसी के पास कुछ सवाल? Okay, I also have a very interesting question before we wrap up. That हम देखते हैं जब एक्टर्स काफ़ी कहते थे पहले that TV makes us work 15 hours a day, 16 hours a day. We worked 18 hours a day under these conditions. But today, with how things have gone, do you see there's a difference in OTT? Maybe it's a little similar.
No,
How's the
there's a lot of
working pattern between the mediums?
काम तो उतना ही कराते हैं, कहीं भी करो आप. ऐसा भी होता है कि हम लोग डे नाइट एक दिन में 2 सॉन्ग शूट कर लेते हैं. Recently did, so we shot for 19 hours. We shot 2 songs together because set was same and they don't, so they somehow calculate कि इन्हें एक्स्ट्रा 4 घंटे का दे भी दिया तो भी हमें सही पड़ेगा क्योंकि सेट फिर से नहीं बनाना पड़ेगा इसका चेंज करके. सो आई थिंक दैट वर्क्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. वी डोंट माइंड डूइंग दैट, बट सी काम करने ही आए हैं यहाँ पे, सो काम तो करेंगे. एंड ठीक है, आप अपना बेनिफिट देख रहे हो वैसे तो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम. एंड वी गाइज हैव वर्कड इन टीवी, सो वी आर यूज्ड टू ऑफ 12-14 hours I think. But definitely you need to understand कि आर्टिस्ट को रेस्ट भी चाहिए. आप हमें 18 घंटे काम करा रहे हो, प्लीज उतना रेस्ट दे के नेक्स्ट डे बुलाओ.
No, I remember that there was a time when I was shooting for Kasturi. I was playing the sister. The main lead, Shubhangi Atre, उनके लिए ambulance हमेशा रहता था. Once we shot for 34 hours continuously. Like there was no time limit at that time. So vanity van में brush कर रहे हैं, उठ रहे हैं. It was crazy, insane. उसके बाद time limit आया that you cannot shoot beyond 12 hours. It was getting so hectic for the main lead, especially because they had all the scenes like throughout the day. So because बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार पड़ने लग गए main leads and other actors, so then we had a time limit. After that, अभी ऐसा होता है कि 12 hours अगर extra shift है तो extra shift के पैसे लगते हैं. But I have shot for 34 hours non-stop.
Oh
And
my
it was
God.
maddening. I mean, it becomes like a family. You enjoy it. At that time, you don't realize, Arey, 34, itne ghante ho gaye. You don't realize because you're just newcomers, you're enjoying that life. But it's after a point, after a couple of years, you realize, oh my God, what you've done. Like 34 hours non-stop, you're working in the lights, in that rain. You're continuously working. And it's very taxing for your body, for your health,
Yeah.
mentally, everything.
एंड इजीली फिर कमेंट आ जाता है, अरे इनका फेस ब्लोटेड दिख रहा है, अरे कुछ कराया है क्या, ये वो. अब इसलिए दिख रहा है क्योंकि सोए नहीं है 2-2 दिन से. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी नीड टू शो आवर फेस ऑन द कैमरा. सो प्लीज हमें ही अच्छा दिखना है, आप प्लीज हमें रेस्ट तो दे दो एटलीस्ट, अगर अपने पैसे बचा रहे हो सेट के.
What about
I think that enthusiasm is great. Like I am somebody who's full of zeal and want to work. कि एक भी घंटा free नहीं जाना चाहिए. But I think recently also there was an actor who literally kind of like mentioned that I'm probably leaving the film because I want to have that 8-hour of working schedule for this very film. So I think it's your own personal decision. Whatever you feel is right for your mental health, that is the primarily the major goal. Because आज के टाइम पे हम सिर्फ काम कर रहे हैं या पैसों के पीछे या फेम के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. But I think sometimes you just need to pause and think about what is working the best for your mental well-being. So it's your own personal decision. So if you feel कि वो 15 घंटे काम करके आपको बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है तो प्लीज़ गो अहेड करिए, चाहे वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री हो या कोई भी इंडस्ट्री हो. बट अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं भाई मुझे तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर चाहिए या मुझे 8 घंटे काम चाहिए 4 घंटे, देन इट इज़ अप टू यू बिकॉज इट्स योर ओन इंडिविजुअल जर्नी एंड यू नो कि शायद मैं इससे ज़्यादा करूँ तो मैं अपना ऑप्टिमम कैपेसिटी में ना हूँ. सो आई टेक इट लाइक दैट, इट्स योर पर्सनल चॉइस.
But things are getting better, and I just want to say thank you so much to all of y'all for joining us on this panel today. A very, important discussion about TV and its future. Thank you so much, and wish you all the very best for everything coming in the future.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
there's one question. We'll quickly take that question.
Hello everyone. We talked, the discussion was about reality shows sometime back, and you said that it is more relatable for the audience and it is more interactive, which is true. But sometimes even the reality shows seem like they are scripted. The repetitive, similar, melodramatic
I think that
expressions.
happens when some of the reality show contestants, which I've even felt for in my season, when they start to copy somebody or they start writing a script within the reality show, then it becomes very boring and you're like, इसको बंद कर दो यार, ये तो ड्रामा कर रहा है.
That's why it's not
और
even
ये
working,
मिथ
no?
है यार गाइस, प्लीज ये बहुत हम लोग सालों से सुन रहे हैं, बिग बॉस इज स्क्रिप्टेड, ये प्लीज ये गेट आउट ऑफ योर हेड. कुछ स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है, कुछ कोई हमें स्क्रिप्ट नहीं
But I
मिलती.
think some
नहीं तो हम लोग
people
सब
they try
ट्रॉफी लेके जाते हैं.
But honestly, 14-15 बिग बॉस के बाद अभी चला भी कहाँ है बिग बॉस? बिकॉज वो ऐसा लग रहा है कि स्क्रिप्टेड है. बिकॉज लोग जानबूझ के जाके वहाँ पे they're trying to repeat the same things. That's why it's looking repetitive. तो इसीलिए वो चल भी नहीं रहा है.
So Manara rightly said that it's not the shows that are scripted. लोग ही बना लेते हैं कि हमें ये करना है,
इंटरप्रेट करके आते हैं, हम ऐसा दिखना चाहते हैं.
हम उसके जैसे किसी को कॉपी करने लग जाते हैं. That's why it looks कि अरे ये तो वैसे ही है, बट वो वैसा नहीं है. वो सोच रहे अरे वो तो चली थी तो हम भी ये करके चल जाएंगे.
वो चले इसलिए क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी पर्सनालिटी दिखाई, तो इसलिए चल गए सबके सब. आप लोग अपनी पर्सनालिटी दिखाएंगे तो आप लोग भी चल जाएंगे. वो रिलेट करेंगे ऑडियंस, क्योंकि हर कोई किसी ना किसी से रिलेट करता है.